Morning light breaking through the eastern hills. Just you and me.
Nagkakilala kami sa hiking. So yung friend niya, yun yung kakilala ko. Tapos nagpa-tour ako mag-swimming. And dapat marami kami, pero ako lang dumating. Ayun na, doon na nag-start ng messenger.
We have no man.
Nagdala siya ng pesto, spaghetti. So bago siya pumasok sa office niya, malapit lang din naman sa Ortigas. Nagdala muna siya ng pesto. Tapos tinatanong nila, sino nagdala niya? Ako nga, pangasawa mo na yan.
May 12 taon na ang nakalilipas nang sila'y pagtukluri sa pamamagitan ng banal na pagkakasal. Saksi ang mga sandaling ito na naging matagumpay ang kanilang pagsasama bilang mag-asawa.
Say you'll be my only love. Say you'll be my only love.
That I've done my part, and her accepting me again assures me that I've done something right for the past 12 years. Her saying yes again to me, it will be another promise on my part to be the wall that she can rely on, and my children to rely on as well.
Sobrang thankful ako na nung sinabi ko sa kanya na gusto ko na mag-church, okay, sige. Tanong niya agad, sure ka ba pakasalan mo ko ulit?
We decided 2025 is the year to do this. And here we are, celebrating again what we have decided 12, 13 years ago. And we have 2 children who are testament to that. That's been hard. There were a lot of difficulties along the road, but that really binded us. And I think that would be our basis for the next 12, 24, 36 more years to go.
Excited maglakad.
One is not enough. The other one needs to fill the gaps. I have a lot of gaps, and she fills those so that we would feel whole.
Umpisa pa lang, nung nakita tayo, na-feel ko na talaga yung ikaw yung pinagkaloob ng Diyos sa akin eh. Kasi sabi nila kapag na-meet mo na yung taong para sa'yo, parang panatag ka lang eh. Wala kang alinlangan. So yun yung naramdaman ko talaga nung kilala kita.
Brother John, you may now kiss the bride.
This is my promise. We have been together for over a decade. There would be times that I would misstep, so I ask your patience and forgiveness, and I will do the same. And I foresee more decades to come. I see ourselves growing old together. We'll see the kids have their kids spoiling the kids, the grandkids, I should say. I love you, and more years to come.